So guys, again we come with another informative video also. So today we will make this lady's finger gravy recipe. So for this we already took all this ingredients. So lady's finger we will make in this recipe. So for example, we took in this recipe like lady's finger, we took already this onion, tomato, green chili, green coriander for garnish, and ginger garlic paste. And spices we took like little this our red chili powder, turmeric powder half a spoon, black pepper half a spoon, little tomato paste, and this garam masala, and in whole spices little cumin seed and little coriander powder, oil, and this all utensils we have to use to make our this recipe. So first what we will do, so first we have to cut our this lady's finger, and then we have to saute here, and then we will make our gravy. Then we will transfer this our lady's finger in it. So I will show you step by step. So please see this video till last. You will find how you will make lady's finger at your home in easy steps. So this one very useful. This will be very useful video for you. So please see this video till last. If you are new on the channel or still not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and tell to your friend also, because here you found all informative video which we upload daily. So please see this video till last, and I will show you step by step. So let's start. So now we already cut our this lady's finger like this, and you have to put in water because this inside have this like this gel, so this will be removed, clean proper this one, okay, like this you can put in water. And I have put already this onion, we have to grind it, and also we will make this puree of tomato. And here I took two pan, here we will saute our lady's finger, and here we will make our gravy, okay. So when this will heated, so we will put our little cumin seed and fennel seed, then we have to make. I will show you. So first we have to grind our this onion, okay. So we already grinded our onion, okay. Our oil already heated, so you just know is heated or not. You just put little this. So we put like fennel seed and this our this cumin seed, okay. We just mix. And then add our is grinded onion here, and have to cook 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, mix well and have to cook 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Meantime, we have to grind our this tomato, make tomato puree of this tomato. So we made already our tomato puree, okay. So now 3 to 4 minutes finish. We just put here our ginger garlic paste, okay. So little ginger garlic paste put from here, okay. Not too much, only 2 spoons like this, okay. I already made it, okay. And have to mix, and again 3 to 4 minutes we have to cook, okay, like this. So after this we have to add our spices here, okay. And here we waiting for this our oil. When this will be heated, so we will saute our lady's finger, okay. So now we already added our this all spices and have to mix well and cook till 3 to 4 minutes. Then we will add our tomato puree in it, okay. Okay, we have to cook like this, mix well. So now 3 to 4 minutes finish. We just add our this tomato puree here, okay, and have to mix, and again 3 to 4 minutes. So to mix well and have to cook 3 to 4 minutes, okay, like this. So when this our gravy ready, so we will put our this lady's finger here, okay, like this. Now we add this whole green chili like this, you can put, okay, like this. So we will cover this and cook till maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will add our this fried brinjal, this lady's finger. Add little water also here, okay, not too much, only little. Then cover and have to cook till maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Then this gravy will be ready. So we will put our this lady's finger, okay. See the color. So now I cover this and put high flame and have to cook till 15 minutes, okay. And here I already put this our oil. So when this will be heated, so we will fry our this lady's finger here, okay. So from this your lady's finger, you just remove water because this have to clean well because have inside this gum. So I remove water, okay. You can stand here, okay, like this. Okay? Because this liquidy side, so we have to remove this water from here and have to fry it, okay. See. Then have to wash well, okay. So our oil already heated, so we just put our, I already strained this our lady's finger. You just add your lady's finger here and have to fry, okay. Have to fry well, and then we will add in it. This is in our gravy, okay. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes this will be fried. Then we will add this our lady's finger here, okay. And I already chopped this coriander. When this our gravy ready, so we will put top up to garnish our gravy. So after 15 minutes we check our gravy also. Our gravy also done. So we have to wait for our lady's finger. So we will cook our lady's finger also in it, okay. So this is gravy, this is the color and also texture. So we will add our lady's finger here. So we have to wait. Then we will add tomato paste also in it when this will be done, okay. So we are waiting for our lady's finger. See, lady's finger have to cook well here, saute. So when this will be dry, so it's still not dry. So when this is dry, so we will add here in our gravy, okay. So you just have to cook well this lady's finger, okay. So this is our lady's finger already done. See the color, and also this should be fried like this, okay. See the color and this one. So we will put in our gravy. Our gravy also ready. So we will put this in our gravy. This is already fried, okay. See the color and also texture. Like this will be color, okay. Because we will cook this in our gravy also maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will put this tomato paste also. So I transfer this our lady's finger here, and because this is done, so you just remove like this, okay. Remove oil from this and put here, okay. And have to cook here till 5 to 10 minutes, okay. But remove this oil from here, okay. So now I already put here our lady's finger. You just mix and cook till 5 to this 10 minutes, okay. Here, because this spice will go inside in it, and this will be tasty. You just mix and have to cover and cook. And I put little this our tomato paste also here, only little, not too much, to give thickness to our gravy, okay. So we have to wait 5 to 10 minutes, and this will be ready. So I cover it, and 5 to 10 minutes we have to wait this. Then I will show you, okay, when this will be done. So after 5 to 10 minutes we check our this lady's finger. Oh wow! So this is already done now. So this is ready. So now we put this green coriander top of to garnish our this ladies finger curry. So now this is ready. See the thickness and also this gravy, like this should be dried like this. So see the thickness and also this color also gravy. Okay, so now this is ready to serve. So you can eat with paratha or like rice or whatever. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. So I will show you how you will serve in a plate. Okay, so let's see the taste and also color of the gravy. Okay, like this should be. Okay, now this is ready to serve. So see the texture and also color of this our ladies finger gravy. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, so we will make video for you. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you are new in this channel or still not subscribed, so please subscribe and share to your friends also, because in this channel you found all informative videos which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. So we will come with another informative video also. So I am also hungry now, so I have to eat now, and you also should try at your home this recipe. So I hope you will do like this. So we will come another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.